Today is Friday, July 31st. This is the 1967-68 Cadillac neutral safety switch. This is for my friend Dave in Bellevue, Washington. This is the 386 model. It's specific to 1967 and 1968. This controls the, or allows rather, the energizing of the ignition in both park and neutral, and also facilitates the backup lights. Okay, so that's what the four electrical prongs are for. This is the four-prong variant. Specific to 1967 and 1968 is a pot metal body. Has the vacuum portals that suck the vacuum and also releases. Okay, so you can see the unit has very smooth actuation across the arc location. And right now we're in park. Over here we have reverse, and right next to it we have neutral, and I'll be doing a functional validation test under power. I'll go ahead and connect my electrical connections, and as soon as I get that on, there we go, we can see that the light bulb comes on over here, and that's because we are in park. When I move it to drive, obviously the light bulb goes off because the car is prohibited from igniting the ignition when it's in drive in order to alleviate someone from crashing into a wall or into another vehicle. That's why they call it a neutral safety switch. Hence, it's safe to start the car in neutral or, of course, in park. So when we go to park, the light bulb comes on. When I go and find the neutral location, right after the reverse, in the prenumberal plate we have park, reverse, neutral. So in neutral the light comes on just as it comes on in the park location. So park and neutral, we have ignition. Okay, any other location such as drive or reverse, we do not have ignition. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and reconnect my electrical prongs to the reverse, and this is what actually provides energy to an electrical continuity to the backup lights, and that's the reverse location, and the light bulb comes on. So when I go to park, nothing happens because we're in park mode and we're connected for the reverse lights. When I go to neutral, nothing happens. Excuse me, that's neutral. Nothing happens because, again, we're in reverse. And yet, when I go to reverse, right there, the light bulb comes on consistent with the original design intent. Okay? So that's the 1967-1968 Cadillac neutral safety switch. This is a fully restored unit going in my friend Dave in Washington State, in Bellevue, Washington. This is a Model 386. Okay? Pot metal base as opposed to stamped base, which is in the latter years after 1970, starting in 71. Okay, so this is Eldorado, Georgia, in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, July 31st. Thank you very kindly.